Hello from Slovenia again. I already did one for today. Split split cup pour with black, white, pebeo iridescent copper and pebeo iridescent gold, precious gold. And I wanted to do this pixelate look with silicone, but I ended up leaving it like it was without adding silicone, so I thought that maybe I will do another one and sprinkle silicone on it for this pixelate lacy kind of look. But this was my plan on my previous pour too, and it didn't turn out like, because I like that pour a lot, so I leave it. But this time I'm determined that I will do silicone on top, no matter how this will look. So let's see if I will be able to. Let me move this a little on the side, and I will just try to center this a little bit, and then I will spin. I like trees, guys, and maybe this technique with split cup pours, that I like them as much because I like trees. And a lot of times these paintings remind me on trees, so okie dokie. I think let's center this as much as I can and spin. I probably should stop again and leave it like it is. I don't know, maybe you find this technique boring, but it's so fun to do, and in person, when you watch all these lines, you probably see the whole new dimension of this technique, I think I will just tilt it a little bit to this corner here, because I didn't like that. So now I'm trying to work a little on my composition, because I would love to make it look more kind of natural with this tree and grass under here. That's how I see this. And you will see it too, and I will take you down for a close-up. And I will just leave this like it is. Maybe a little more. No, I will leave it because it's gorgeous. So that's how it is, that technique with silicone. It's not the technique that you would use just, or you have to make sure that your pour will not look nice, because otherwise I think that you will do just like I did, that I just leave this like it is, because it looks like it would be drawn with, you see this white and gold over this black and copper. I don't know if you like this as much as I do, but I will definitely not mess this up with silicone, because for me it's perfect. And I'm not the one that say this often, but if you know me, you know. And I can't wait how this painting will dry, because I'm totally in love with it. So so that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes I just fell in love in my painting. Tell me what you think about it. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.